Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's look at this question 5 from 2024, the NOV-DEC paper 2. In the diagram, the XY is taken as a tangent to the circle PQR, where the QR is equals to R PR, QR, PR. So these two lines shows the equal line. Then the PR is parallel to SZ. So these are parallel lines. And the angle PQR is 50 degrees, as we have there. The line SZ bisect the angle RXY. RXY. So these two angles. So it means that this angle is equal to this. Bisect means divide into equal parts. Alright. So let's see the angles we are asked to find. We are finding RPS. RPX. So it means this angle is what we are looking for in the first case. Then PSR. PSR. We are looking for this angle as well. Then PRS. PRS. I think all these angles are formed by the triangle PRS. Alright. Now, what do we do? There are various ways we can find the answer. We just need to identify the property that we can resonate with. Now, first thing, I know this angle, this line and this line are being given to me as being equal. So I can easily find this angle, right? Because that is a isosceles triangle in there. So I can say that per solution, permit me to use this space. Per solution, I can say that angle RQP will be equals to the angle RPQ. Let me just use Y. So that means that this angle and this angle will be the same. So I can say that the 2y will be equals to 180 minus what? 50. And that means y equals to, what do we have here? 130 divided by 2. That will give us 65 degrees. This is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. And we are using this and this being the same because this is an isosceles triangle. So knowing very well that this is 65, this will be what? 65. I guess that will be clear. Alright. Then we come back to this very angle I have asked to find. This angle is formed between the tangent mentioned and the chord PR. So angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the opposite segment. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So I can say that from here, picking the question A, I can say angle RPX, in this case, RPX, which I'm asked to find, RPX, this very angle will be equal to the angle I found here, which is going to be the angle RQP, which is 65 degrees. So the first thing, the angle A is found. So I can indicate here to be 65 degree, 65 degree, and 65 degree. Okay, let me use different color. Then I can use blue. So 65, 65, 65 to distinguish it from the original angle. Alright. What next do I need? I need to find PSR. PXR. This very angle. Alright. How do I get that angle in there easily? I can get that angle as, okay, let's find these angles before. We can say that the angle, okay, let me write B, so that it means everything I'm doing will be in the sense of finding B. So let's say angle RSZ will be equals to the angle YXZ. Let me use X, meaning this angle will be X, this angle will be X. They are going to be the same because of the bisection of that angle. Now, if that is the case, I know that this is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. So the angle here will be corresponding to the angle there. Both are in the below side of the transverse. So I can say that the angle that I have as RPS will be equals to the angle I have as YXZ, which will also be equals to 65. And this being 65 also means that here will also be what? 65. So 65 and what? 65. So knowing these two angles plus what I'm looking for, they are going to be angles on a straight line. So I can say that the angle I am asked to find, which is PXR, and the PXR will be equals to 180 degrees minus 65 degree plus what? 65 degree. So 180 will give you 130 degrees, and that will be 50 degrees. So this property will also be angles on a straight line. Don't forget to indicate the properties. Today I'm being economical because I don't have enough space on the board. So you have to indicate just like I've been doing in the previous circle theorem questions. So the B is also answered. What do we need? We are looking for PRS. PRS. This very angle. Now, if I can say C, the angle PRS, let me just speak it as this is the parallel line, this is the tangent, and this is, so this is parallel to this, right? PR, is that not it? XZ. But there is a line from R. So this line is coming here. So this line is called a transverse. So if it's a transverse connecting the parallel line, giving the Z angles, the angle here will be equal to the angle here by alternate properties. So this angle, what angle is there? That's what I'm looking for. This very angle equals to the angle at the corner here, which is the other X, 65. So I can only say that this angle is equals to angle RXZ equals to 65 degrees. Here I have space so I can say alternate what? Angle. So the C is found, the B is found as 50, and the A is also found what? 65. I guess you can also think of other properties that will lead you to the same answer. And don't forget, every step you take, you write the property. So here, this being the same will be the base angles of an isosceles triangle. Then the addition here will be the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Then we have this. I think this property will also be indicated. This being equal to this 65, there will also be indicated. Yeah, same. And I think this will bring you to the end. I'm sure the concept from the beginning to the end, even though not well elaborated in terms of properties, you understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.